what's going on, guys? So right now it's 7:08. 7:08, sorry. Right now I'm going to Long Island. I'm going to go see my friend Chubbs with the teal hatch, with the Type R motor in it. I'm going to go right now to go see his car get tuned. He's gonna go get tuned by Morris. So that's all the way in Long Island. Let me fix this camera. Yeah. So he's gonna go tune his car today in Long Island. He's gonna go tune with Morris. So I've got about an hour drive all the way to Long Island, and a couple of the homies are gonna be there. I'm not exactly sure who's gonna come. Some people saying they're going, some people saying they're not. But yeah, so let's go, guys.
Joy. Does this mean even our suffering pleases him?
Lost in a cloud of marijuana, young Carolina nigga.
Stop at 7-Eleven real quick. Pick up something to eat before we go to the diner and pass out of starvation. Well, so I got me a hot dog, chips, and a drink for $3. Not bad. I'm only 5 minutes away, so I'm gonna get moving and I'll just eat it over there. My Chubbs is still not there yet, I'm pretty sure, because he left after me. Julio left first. So yeah, only got 5 minutes left, but you know, 5 minutes in Long Island is like 10 minutes. Yo, Super, we tuning. We tuning. We not smoking hookah.
No, we doing both.
This guy out here making a hookah. Yo, I'm right here. Whoa. Pee in the back. That's right there. Look, yeah, pee right there next to the van. Just got some Morris tuning. All the cars are here. Everybody's inside. See what this thing makes. I think 210. I think less or more.
Probably
More? I think max would be like 218. Let's see what we can push out of this for her. This is a super shop also. Look at all these Supras. One over there. Another one over there. Got down there. One all the way over there. Alright, so right now running into some issues. Let's see. So supposedly they said the intake piping might be too long, so they cut it shorter, but they put it shorter. Now they got it out the hood. Now they got it sticking out like that. Hopefully it works. You hear that shit? Yeah, that shit sounds great. Big ass cam tone. The car has some issues they're trying to figure out because it's not making what it's supposed to right now. It has more. It has more. The car can make more. The thing is, the car can make more, but when you go to the dyno, something always happens. Sounds good. So, quick update. You gotta get bigger tube headers and injectors, right? Big tube headers and injectors, because he has, what is stage 2 cams, right? Stage 3 cams, so he has a lot of airflow, and then the headers are too small. So it's restricting it, and the injectors are getting restricted also, because he has a resistor box from the old ID 1000, so. Oh no, see if we can maybe put a little bit more power out of it. Shit on my.
That fool did it, you heard?
Yo guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Yo, the video not even done yet. It don't matter, it's the process. Yo. We need some more out of it. Smoke is killing me. So he needs clutch, headers, and injectors. Look at these builds. Look at these cars out here. Look at this Supra. Spooling. Another one over here. Yo, that's it. You about to beat the shit out of it right now?
I'm gonna give it a little.
You gotta do. I'm gonna put the camera in the back windshield. I got the suction cup.
It's lit, it's lit.
All right. Look how beautiful this shit looks. Damn, that's your hatch? That shit is sexy. Look at that sexy hatch right there. So that color scheme is just... Dale! Woo! Well, y'all saw I'm doing pool car sounds and feels amazing. So yeah, I'm not sure right now what we're gonna do, but probably gonna head home or get some food or something. But all I know is that I'm freezing right now. Freezing. So yeah, let's see what else we get into, guys. Yo guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.